hear one next story which sound like begin. Instead, God knew world coming like somebody where plant up some good seed panning land. But when everybody asleep, one of him enemy them come, come, plant up well, plant up wild monks in weed them and go away. When the plant them pop up and start beer, the wild not show up too. So the owner servant come say to him say, sir, your name plant good seed in your field. Then where them the wild come from. Him say, our enemy do this man. So this servant answer back, you want we go drag out the wild them, but him say, he said, no, no, no. Can you might they are pop out wild and go root up the weed them too. Make it two of them grow till a time fit here. Together we plant too.
But when it plants, it grow up and become the biggest of all the garden plants. And put up big branches so that all the birds them in the air can come and roost under it and find a place to rest. Alright.
The fox said to him, Lord, how much time if you pardon my brother or sister will do this something? All the same time?
You done? And you don't read the parable yet. Come when I read the Bible. Jesus said to himself,
Not even seven time we ever tell you, but all the 77 time. May I tell you that? Because of this God kingdom coming life. It coming like one king we did one check out how much all of me serve and they for him. 24 when the king they are check out, they bring one man come make much million. 25 no, cause the servant couldn't pay the king ordered them to sell him and sell him weird. And sell him wife and picnic. Plus all with him. So him could have get back him money. The servant robbed me in front of the king and beg him. You take time with me, sir. Give me some time and we will pay back everything. The king feels sorry for him and make him poor. And all in the poor, the king said him now to pay back.
Alright, you know. Mountain, and when he was set, his disciples came unto him.
When Jesus see the crowd of people there, he go up on the mountain, go sit down, and him follower them come to him. He open up his mouth and start to teach them, and this him said.
Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
All only when you also need God in every way. God bless you.
Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted.
All of them are bad now. God bless them. Because the time will come when God will hush them and make them happy again.
Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth.
All of them were humble themselves. God bless them. Can you see the old heart of the people then? Them I will come get it.
Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled.
All of them know when they write a song that it come like say they do not dead for hungry. God I will call it cause enough to come drink water. God bless you.
Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy.
Uno will pardon people. God bless you. Cause him a go pardon uno too.
Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God.
All of uno will only want to do sinting them, the sinting them, but make God happy. God bless you. Cause one day, uno a go get to see God.
Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God.
God bless all of you with help people to live in a peace. Because of the people them, because of the people like them, God will call for them.
Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for there is the kingdom of heaven.
The people them, when other people make suffer, make joke offer, just cause them live, oh God want people to live. God bless you. Because the good sitting there, when God give, when he wanting people them to laugh, who know I go get them.
Blessed are he when men shall revile you and persecute you, and shall say all manner of evil against you falsely for my sake.
God bless you know. When people shame you know. When they make you sad. When they make you suffer. And when they say all kind of wicked things about you, we're not true. Because one day, God will call you.
Rejoice and be exceeding glad, for great is your reward in heaven. For so persecuted they the prophets which were before you.
Make yourself happy when them they sitting happen to you. Jump up and down with joy in our heart. Because no good sitting put on for you. As same so them did do Christ, God, as same so them did do to God profit them when it there before come.
Ye are the salt of the earth, but if the salt have lost its savour, wherewith shall it be salted? It is thenceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out and to be trodden under foot of man. Ye are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hid. Neither do men light a candle and put it under a bushel, but on a candlestick, and it giveth light unto all that are in the house. 16 and appointed, let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven.
And the last verse says, make your light one shine, because God will see you and him will give you on the wall.
Aaron, that's a portion of God's holy word.